in front of us right now is the North American Texan of Bill Leff. Bill Leff is from the city that taught the world to fly, and he is almost ready to do his Starfire Night Sky Show. But before he does it, he's going to race the Shockwave, the Super Shockwave jet truck. The North American Texan can get going in a dive of about 200 miles an hour. He will have a flying diving start on the start line. Les Shockley will go from a standing start. He can get to 100 miles an hour in just a couple of seconds. Who do you think's going to win the race? Will it be the airplane? Make some noise.
No.
Will it be the jet truck? Make some noise. Ooh, that's an overwhelming thing. We'll see if the start goes all right. Bill Leff is up there at a couple of 100 feet. He's diving in. We're going to have us a race, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look. Bill Leff Starfire Night Sky Show airplane, the World War II trainer. Here we go. Bill dives in. Oh!